Hello YouTubers. In my most recent video you noticed I picked up the Monster Jam Gravedigger building set from K-Nex. I'm going to build this thing. It's got, I think, I lost a little tab there. I think it said something like 40 pieces or so. It's a pretty cool little set. Picked it up for $8. Got the little Dennis Anderson driver there. That's cool. It's got the little removable hat. Second there, I'm just gonna put his hat. Got the little helmet. Opening visor. That's cool. Comes with lots of stickers to put on there. This must be the body. All four wheels have rubber tires. They're pretty cool. You gotta put the centers into them. I was in the Walmart the other day and noticed they also have the big rig that you can build, and I'm not sure if that has the different wheels. I noticed there's different wheels that you can get that they normally use in real life. They normally haul these off and put smaller set of wheels on. I'm not sure if the big rig has those or not. They're not in the package here anywhere, so they must come with the big rig. And you can open up the back of the big rig and put this truck on the inside, so that should be cool. I'm gonna start building this here and come back in a few minutes. As you can see, I've done the first couple steps. It's weird because I don't remember K-Nex resembling, or I don't remember them being like Legos, but apparently they are. This is the suspension that they say works. Oh, it looks like it's going to be pretty cool. It's a pretty neat looking truck so far. Okay, so I've done that. And that. Wheels already came assembled, except for that little gray center goes in there. Now I just gotta pop these little pieces must have to, they go in there, and you snap the wheels on, fasten them on, so I shall return. Okay, so I've got the rear axle built. It's kind of cool the way it does work. It's got articulation, quite a bit of articulation there, eh? Suspension looks like it's gonna work pretty cool there. That's gonna be pretty neat. For 5 and up, this is a pretty good toy. I mean, 25 and up, this is a pretty good toy. It's not too hard to build either. I mean, I am 25 years old, I suppose. You just pop there's like 2 little spacers there. I don't know why they have the 2 spacers. I didn't design the thing, but. And then the wheel just pops on this axle. Like so. I don't know why you can see that, but just push it on until it snaps on. And be very careful not to lose any little spacers on the floor. This is the most professional video I've ever done. Oh boy. And you just slide the axle into the little hole there. This is a cool little set. I think if I was, 5 or 6 years old, getting one of these for Christmas or my birthday or something, man, I think this would be pretty cool. And then if you had to get that big rig, that would be That'd be really cool. I don't really have the room for it here anywheres, but I'd like to get that. Check it out. Bottom part of the truck done there. Cool. That suspension is really neat. That's gonna be cool. Oh, cool. I see. It works like it's got four-wheel steering almost. Cool. I've had more fun with this than things like PlayStation. I'm 25 years old. I'm having a blast with this. Okay, so I've got the wheels on, the axles on. Now the final steps, I get the put the exhaust on. There's no engine for some reason. That would be a nice thing to put. They got the room in the back there, right? They could have stuck the engine in there. They could have made an engine piece would have been cool, but for $8, jeez. Okay, so be back in a couple of minutes. The reason why I'm stopping in between is because it's hard to hold this and find somewhere to set it. So, okay, I'm back again. These little blue things here. Just a second there. There's a little hole there. They just pop one there, one there. The little headers on the side there. They just go up 3 little humps, or what you want to call them there, pegs or ahead, like so. And that's the inside. Now it's just time to put Dennis Anderson inside of his little truck there. Pushes down in there. I might have to. Oh, I got him. Nope. I'm gonna have to put you down there for a second. I don't want to break my new truck. Come on now. Maybe he doesn't click in. I thought he did. Maybe he doesn't. I don't think he does. So, either way. Put him in there. Then this. There's a little hole there. You can't really see it. It's kind of dark. There's a little hole there. Actually, no. The front body goes on first. There's a little hole there. And it plugs in here. I'm not going to put him in there right now. I'm going to take him out because he's in my way. Sorry about that. Didn't realize to set you down. You wasn't watching what I was doing. Oh, I see. These little things line up. Interesting. Oh, I broke the exhaust off. Okay, I'm going to have to do this. I'm going to have to do this off. Okay, there we go. It just pops on there real easily. I was just didn't quite have it lined up there. This back one should just go. There's a square there. Should just go right in that little spot there. Keep knocking that exhaust off. They keep grabbing the exhaust. Those don't stick on there very good. They only hold on to one spot. Either way, as you can see, Grave Digger's built, all except for the stickers there. Cool. I just got to pop that little exhaust back on. Yeah, $8. I'd say it's an alright little toy. If it was much more than that, I wouldn't pay much more than that, but it's not bad, under $10. The box flips over and converts into a ramp. And as you can see here, it shows you how to stick all the stickers on the sides there. I don't have the patience to do that on camera right now. I'll do that a little bit later. So there it is. K-Nex Monster Jam. 'N' 'Run. 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 'N' It's definitely worth the $8. It's not a bad little set. As you can see, suspension seems to work pretty good there. Works pretty good. $8. It's good for a kid to have a couple hours of fun for sure. Especially if you buy that big. I forget how big their big rig is. It's quite big. I saw the boxes. Let's see if I can show you here. It's about that big or something, you know. Fit the truck inside. That'd be pretty cool, I think. Okay.